In this video, I will show how to write h20 in Canva. So, very easy way. Firstly, in the text, select any text, type your text. Now make duplicate, keep here, make duplicate, adjust the size and type your number. Adjust space. Now select all and make it group and keep anyway. And you can adjust size together. Can change color and everything. Firstly select. So you will not find any native option or feature in Canva to create superscript or subscript, but you can use this trick. Thanks for watching and comment this video useful for you.